you guys, welcome back to Greening Days. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now because we are here to spread some good vibes and white smiles. On that note, welcome back to another yoga video. So today's yoga video is going to be all about split, which is also called as Hanumanasana. So yeah, I'll be sharing my split journey कि हम क्या mistakes करते हैं और हमें क्या नहीं करनी चाहिए. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. ये स्प्लिट जर्नी हम कैसे सीखने वाले हैं, तो मैं कुछ आपको स्ट्रेचिंग और या फिर स्ट्रेचेस बताऊंगी जो मैंने मेरे स्प्लिट जर्नी में किए एंड उसी के साथ साथ हम टिप्स भी सीखते जाएंगे जो शायद मेंटली आपको प्रिपेयर करेंगे ये स्प्लिट सीखने के लिए. ठीक है. सो वेरी फर्स्ट टिप इज नेवर कंपेयर योर फर्स्ट डे टू एनीवन्स 100 डे. यू नो, जो भी लोग आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे या फिर कहीं पे भी स्प्लिट करते हुए दिखेंगे तो ऑलवेज मेक योर सेल्फ अंडरस्टैंड कि वो स्प्लिट वो शायद बहुत साल से सीख रहे होंगे, बचपन से सीख रहे होंगे या फिर बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस के साथ सीख रहे होंगे. सो नेवर एवर कंपेयर योर फर्स्ट डे टू एनीवन्स 100 डे. ओके, दैट्स अ वेरी फर्स्ट एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट टिप. सो या, lie down. We are gonna start this practice with Pavan Muktasan. So yeah, grab your both the knees, hug them tightly. Okay, just rock a little bit side to side. Keep on breathing. No toxic thoughts. Okay, now one by one, just grab your right knee, release your other knee, just grab it. Okay, अच्छे से tightly hug करना है chest तक. Take a deep breath in and exhale, release this leg. Okay, feel the brightness of this toes. Yeah, point, flex, point and flex. अगर आपको आपकी थोड़ा मतलब लिमिट पुश करनी है तो आपके पीस फिंगर से आप ट्राई कर सकते हो होल्ड करने का. ठीक है. इफ़ यू आर नॉट हियर देन इट्स ओके. वी ऑल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. यहाँ से बेसिकली हमें स्प्लिट्स में हमारी थाइज में और हिप फ्लेक्सर्स में लेंथ फाइंड करनी है. तो इसके लिए दिस स्ट्रेच इज़ वेरी गुड. कीप ऑन ब्रीदिंग फॉर 1 2 3 एंड रिलीज. Relax. Now same with other knee. Take a deep breath in. Grab it. Okay. Just hold it for 1 2 3. Okay, again. Feel the brightness. Again, hold it. 1 2 and 3. Hold it tightly. You can take this peace finger or this wherever you are. Okay, just hold it and with a deep breath in and with exhale just release. Take a deep breath in again. Again, lift your both the legs and hold it. This is very good for your hamstrings, very good for your thighs. Again, relax. Now Paschimottanasana. Take a deep breath in and with your spine straight, lie down. Okay? No need to push yourself more. Okay? हमें ऐसी कोई भी स्टेज अटेंड नहीं करनी है जो आज पॉसिबल नहीं है. We all start from scratch, so give yourself enough time. Okay, just take a deep breath in, have that softening kind of situation, spine straight. If you are on your 10th day or 100th day, so no need of soft knees. You can just take a deep breath in relax. Grab your knees and into the tabletop position. There you go. Into the plank. Okay, take a deep breath in and downward facing dog. Okay. Second tip is never let anyone tell you that you cannot do this. Okay, a year back someone told me because of my knee injury I cannot do this pose, but here am I. So never let anyone tell you that you cannot do certain kind of pose. So take a deep breath in, lift your right leg up in the air, just fold it. Okay, stay here for 1, 2 and 3 and fold करते हुए हमें इस लेग को सामने लाना. There you go. Look front. Open up your heart and chest. Take a deep breath in. Okay, stay here. Now curl your toes out. Okay, just always make sure कि आपका ये पैर ज़्यादा पीछे भी नहीं होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा सामने भी नहीं. Always maintain this knee and ankle in one straight line. Okay, always remember this. Open up your heart and chest, and from here take a deep breath in. Crescent moon pose. There you go. अगर आपको आपकी और limits push करनी है तो just push yourself from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna feel that stretch, big stretch here, which is very good. And now cartwheeling to the front. So from here we are gonna do half split. Okay, this is called as half split. अगर ये आप यहाँ पे हो तो no problem, but just find that brightness in your feet. Very good. There you go. Just feel that deep stretch here. There you are. We are here for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If it is feeling too much, then just come front. Okay, now again back. अगर आप यहाँ पे हो तो no need to do this or this, and it doesn't do anything good. Okay, instead of that just walk your hands front. इसको front में लेके जाओ and feel that stretch here. Okay, draw your belly inwards. इस belly button को अपने spine की तरफ खींचने का try करो. Roll your shoulder back and find that length in your spine. Again. Okay. Now curl your toes in, पैर जाएगा पीछे and downward facing dog. So yeah, third tip is yoga mat doesn't care about your 15 minutes or 30 minutes. It only cares about your honesty and integrity. So be honest with yourself. So same procedure with other leg. Take a deep breath in, just fold that leg and उसको रखना है हमें सामने. There you go. Open up your heart and chest, curl your toes out and crescent moon lunge. Increase your limits. Okay, take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always maintain this pose. Okay, this angle is very important. And again, cartwheeling to the front and this runner stretch. Okay, it is also called as half split, half Hanumanasana. Feel that brightness of your feet. Okay, draw your belly inwards. Take a deep breath in. अगर आपके हाथ यहाँ पे आज, no problem. Try to walk them front. push yourself, but don't torture while pushing yourself. Always remember the difference. There is thin line between those. Again, to the front. Again, back and to the front. There you go. You are ready. After finishing these stretches, I'm sure after 15 days or 30 days, you are ready to do splits. So, again, we are ready for end game. And the fourth tip is no toxic thoughts. Okay, while doing this, always make yourself remember that you are doing good. So no toxic thoughts, and ready for the end game. Take a deep breath in, open up your heart and chest, and now run a stretch. Okay, feel the brightness. From here, we are gonna just walk front. ठीक है, जितना हो सकता है. एंड नाउ कर्व योर टोज इन, और इसको भी थोड़ा धीरे धीरे पीछे लेके जा. एंड नाउ देयर यू आर, हनुमान. Last tip is never stop learning, never stop exploring. Okay, even if I'm here, I would like to increase my flexibility. I would like to learn more and more. So never stop learning. And take a deep breath in. Bye. So thank you for sharing your valuable time with me. I was so happy while sharing all of those tips and stretching, and it requires lots of hard work. So make sure that you like, share and subscribe. Share your valuable response in the comment section. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep spreading some good vibes and white smiles. Bye, and please don't forget to subscribe, okay?